Here's how they remove pumpkins that don't meet standards for Halloween. The sledgehammer head is securely attached to its handle using a high-temperature pressing machine. Look at this funny Rice Express. A machine quickly slices a large slab of meat into thin pieces. Tire recycling involves a rotating blade machine slicing them for repurposing. A tool distributes seeds evenly for crop planting. To split bamboo lengthwise, a customized machine tool cuts it into long, thin strips. Plain white volleyballs are transformed with eye-catching custom money patterns through hydro dipping. Wooden spoons gain their concave shape from a specialized carving attachment. A tractor attachment with a rotating spiky chain aerates the topsoil efficiently. A robot system completes the task of evaluating fruit quality and ripeness. Dicing vegetables is made effortless with a machine that does the work for you. After using this diamond-shaped frame to process a field, it's almost unrecognizable. A machine mesmerizingly cuts sheets of dough into smaller squares for pastries. An excavator methodically removes ivy from a wall. Creating cinder blocks becomes a breeze with this rapid production system. An attachment scoops water from dirty lakes, removing algae and debris. Molten hot plastic is transferred into a molding machine where it is shaped into water jugs right before your eyes. Wooden posts are reshaped from square to circular quickly and efficiently. A ladle is formed under the powerful strikes of a factory shaping tool. Nuts with sharp edges are sorted on a conveyor belt and approved by a small spring mechanism. Combinations of dustpans and squeegees efficiently remove water from tiled surfaces. Algae and plant removal from ponds are done by a rotating excavator attachment. Fast-working individuals effortlessly throw empty bottles behind them. Cement blocks are effortlessly cut by a specialized jigsaw blade. Boxes and other shipping items are automatically tied by a machine, ensuring secure packaging with efficiency and reliability. Custom-shaped metal cookie cutters are crafted by an assembly of precision tools. A high-speed blade quickly chops zucchini. A boulder-splitting machine cracks large stones with minimal applied pressure. A tractor attachment efficiently harvests corn kernels from the ground. Wrench manufacturing excess is rapidly removed. Fold clothes within seconds. Solution to the time-consuming task of folding laundry by hand. Rotating cars are utilized to easily unscrew bolts. Large cable wires are split to recycle copper using a precise cutting mechanism. Plastic water bottles undergo hydro dipping, receiving a unique custom-designed print. A rotating blade quickly slices a spinning potato into a continuous piece. Heavy cement bags are moved with ease using an overhead grabbing tool.